One thing about men, they will make your enemies jabula. They will give your enemies a thing to talk about you. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. We're gonna start with DJ Zintle, guys. I think this is not actually about her. It's about the trend that has been happening in South Africa, where men just cheat, keep on cheating, and then at the end of the day, people look at you as if it's your fault. But the truth of the matter is that it's not a woman's fault, especially in the celebrity world, where I think it's the most hardest to get by. Is either you're getting cheated or they just rob you. They use you as a stepping stone or as a stepping ladder to whatever that they want. One thing what I want to highlight in this video is that being a successful woman is actually make it 10 times more harder than ordinary women who works at Shoprite Checkers anyway, like who work normal jobs. That's what I'm trying to say. So we'll start by explaining why is that a problem? Why is DJ Zintle being a center of this cheating thing? If you remember correctly, she was cheated publicly back when that the AKA was still alive. Publicly, it happened right in front of our eyes, and at that point people were just saying like, this is so wrong because she's pregnant. Why are you doing that? Okay, fine. Then fast forward to 2024 or 2025, Musa Kaula came back with some allegations that now the husband is also cheating on her. And then today, this past weekend of Valentine's, the same thing happened. The allegation that Zindle is being cheated on. And then people were like, why is it that DJ Zindle is being cheated on time and time again? DJ Zinhle as a figure, she shows up and shows out that she's a very, very strong woman. I mean, tell me going through public humiliation like that one and still coming out so strong and doing very well for yourself without showing us a glimpse of breaking down. There was never a time where DJ Zinhle came to this internet or on the street looking messed up or looking weak. She actually showed out every time, which means that her character as a human being, she's a very strong human being who can take on anything. And that makes men to fear her. That makes men to actually not feel secured enough in that place. Remember that man needs to be comfortable. It's a fact. Okay? And her success, guys, this is what I was talking about last week. We're living in a world where they still appreciate patriarchy, but then our men are so confused whether to be patriarchal or to go with times. In modern times, a woman can be a provider, but at the same time, you must be an overall everything. Where I'm talking about, you must be a provider and actually take care of the home. But we heard from DJ Zindle and Cairo many times that DJ Zindle cannot cook, cannot clean, cannot do this. Let me tell you something. If you, a man is wise enough, he will appreciate you because you're going there to fetch a bread for them to eat. You're putting something on the table. But our men will never appreciate you for doing that. Instead, they'll go and settle with someone lower than you who can do those things that you're not doing. Not because they don't love you, not because they don't appreciate you, because it doesn't conform to their status. They need to do ziwa. They need to be, what's the right word? They need someone to praise them, someone to worship their ground. That's what I'm trying to say. So in that case, it really happens because why would I worship your ground if duh, I'm busy, you're busy, there's no time for that. If I worship your ground, it will be once in 2 years because I'm booked, you are booked. So what? So saying that is her fault, I think, is very demeaning because what can she do? She's beautiful, she's successful, she's a mother. What can she do? What more could she give? If you want pap, we can go and buy pap. You want quality time? Let's go on holiday. So it's not like it has everything to do with her. This is everything to do with men and their ego. They need their ego to be nest. And if you don't have time for that, unfortunately, is the truth of the matter here in South Africa. You gonna be the one to receive that backlash. The backlash that you're always being cheated on. Is it your fault? But no. The truth is, it's not your fault. It's never your fault. You should just keep on being you. And there's nothing you can do to change them. Somehow, Alrato Numalo once said that it's in their blood or in their genetics that South African men, at some point, they will cheat on you. They do many things right, but when it comes to cheating, it's like they're born of the same woman. I don't know who that woman is because I don't think a woman will give birth to someone who hates other women. They know the pain themselves. So it's very tough. It's very tough. And if you are dating or you are married and you have never experienced it, it's cool. But if you have, hugs to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. What do you think of this situation?